Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I think it's time we tackle cleaning up my Margot Robbie Suicide Squad shelves. They're really dusty. Like this is bad. So I need to dust everything, clean everything up. I want to move some stuff around a bit so I can fit in Birds of Prey, because I don't have enough to really justify an entire Birds of Prey shelf at the moment. So we're gonna clean these up, get everything back in order, make it all nice and pretty, and figure out where we can squeeze in a little bit of Birds of Prey Harley. So let's get started. One shelf is complete for now. I'm leaving a little bit of extra space, a little opportunity in case I need to put any other Suicide Squad Harleys here. Trying to make room for Birds of Prey. So, like I was saying, gotta make some room somewhere, huh? Well, that is it for today's video. Here's how it all came out. This is the top shelf. I like it. I like how it looks. I like having the little plushie up there. Looks good. Looks good. Then we have this shelf, which has a bunch of Harley in the back from Suicide Squad, but in the front, obviously, we have room for the Birds of Prey pops. Then this shelf looks all nice and neat with Suicide Squad stuff, as does this shelf. So that concludes it for today, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't all my Suicide Squad stuff. This isn't all of my Birds of Prey stuff. Technically, I have a few other things that I need to figure out where to put them. But for now, this works. If you'd like to see all my Suicide Squad stuff and not just the Margot Robbie live action movie, I'd happily do a whole little Suicide Squad collection video. I have some more stuff on the way that are more comic book oriented. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little update video. I am working on bigger and better videos for you very soon, so bear with me. And that's it for today, so see you guys later.